Things that make twin flame sex special. It has been covered that twin flame sex is unique because of its spiritual nature. Twin flame sex is extraordinary because it feeds the body and the soul. Additionally, listed below are some more reasons why twin flame sex is incredible. Ages like fine wine. The longer wine is stored in a cellar, the better it tastes. The scenario isn't a very accurate description of twin flame sex, but the saying fits the bill. Twin flame sex is a physical as well as a spiritual experience. Not only is the body satisfied, but the soul is also given its due. Simply said, physical sex is very exciting the first time, and more excitement might come later on. But as the body ages, sex becomes less and less exciting. However, with twin flame sex, you will want it more as time goes by. That doesn't mean to say that you'll be glued to your bed because of that want. You want to spend more time with your twin flame, and every time you're with your twin flame is an exciting time. Even after you've gone for decades being together, you'll still want to be with them. And that feeling grows day after day. The reason for the feeling comes back to the spiritual nature of being twin flames. Decades passed by, and your soul yearned to be completed all those years. Healing properties. Twin flame journeys can be very challenging. This point isn't stressed enough to those who are about to enter their twin flame journey. You can meet false twin flames before you even meet your twin flame. If you meet your twin flame, she has the same weaknesses as you, and your relationship may go south in a snap after a misunderstanding. If you go through the twin flame separation stage, you'll feel a lot of pain emotionally and even physically. You might even go through more false twin flames. Your twin flame separation stage may even end for good after you get back together with your twin flame, as more separation stages may come. There are so many troubles from twin flame relationships, especially if you are not prepared to face these challenges. Some twin flames drift away altogether after facing even the first challenge. If you are not sure they are your twin flame, my friend Psychic Jane can draw what your twin flame looks like. Discover what your twin flame looks like here. There are also parts of your life that you might want to forget. By the time you get to the point of true union with your twin flame, you've already gone through a lot of life's troubles. It's not just the twin flame's journey that you want respite from. You also want to rest from the world. However, when you reach true union with your true twin flame, you will feel that everything you went through is nothing compared to the prizes. One of those prizes is twin flame sex. With twin flame sex, you'll undergo emotional and spiritual healing. It might even affect you physically due to the lessened stress. A lot of my readers talk about their twin flame relationships, especially how special and different the physical connection is. Like Laura, one of my readers shared her story with me. She told me about her twin flame, Alex, and how being with him felt more than just physical. It was like their souls were connecting. Laura said that when she was with Alex, it was more than just sex. She felt a deep bond, like they were really meant to be together, not just in body but in spirit too. It was a feeling that stayed with her all the time. She learned that this kind of deep connection is common in twin flame relationships. It's not just about being physically close. It's about two souls coming together in a really special way. So, if you're feeling something really deep and spiritual with your twin flame, it's a unique and powerful experience. It's about more than just physical attraction. It's about your souls connecting on a deeper level. Twin flame telepathy sex. If you think virtual reality sex is impressive, you haven't experienced what twin flames can experience after achieving true union. Twin flames can do what we call telepathy. Telepathy is an amazing thing, as it can convey emotions and messages through thoughts. The true union stage brings telepathy to another level. After twin flames reach the true union stage, their spiritual energies vibrate at a higher frequency and resonate with each other better. If the twin flames want, they can even have sex telepathically. Twin flame telepathy manifests in many different ways, but the most common method where twin flames can telepathically have sex is through dream sharing. I also wrote an article about twin flames' telepathic arousal, which is highly relevant to this topic. Twin flame sex and the twin flame separation stage. There's a topic about twin flame sex that you should know, and that is about the relationship between twin flame sex and the twin flame separation stage. It should be known that people are more understanding now and that premarital sex is no longer that frowned upon. even in Christian groups. That's why there are cases of twin flame sex even before reaching the twin flame's ascension to a true union. In these cases, there should be a word of advice. Yes, twin flame sex is absolutely amazing. It's like having your spiritual cherry popped and you get triply filled with ecstasy, physical, emotional, and spiritual. However, because of the intense sensation you get from twin flame sex, there are some times when soul shock happens. Soul shock is not a very explored term, but the effect is apparent. Soul shock can cause the first twin flame separation stage, and there are even times when it causes separation stages more than the first one. After the twin flame separation stage, twin flame sex is not the sole cause of a twin flame separation stage. They can have other reasons, such as disagreements or the want to make their relationship better. But twin flame sex can indeed cause the twin flame separation stage. It is also true that the twin flame separation stage can trigger twin flame sex. Once the male twin flames become aware of their pair's existence, their bond becomes stronger and stronger, even when they have disagreements. There will be times when they get separated from each other, but most of them come back together. The pent-up feelings and emotions go rushing out when they do reunite, which sometimes triggers twin flame sex. Furthermore, twin flame sex is the kind of sex that gets better over time. Every time twin flames get separated and have sex after reuniting, they're reaffirming their need for one another. Each twin flame knows that they are incomplete without their twin flame. The bond the twin flames share is not typical, and it shows. Sometimes the twin flame sex causes another soul shock, and another twin flame separation stage occurs. It's a rather peculiar cycle, and that's why people who want to have twin flame sex or those who are in the cycle already should be given a reminder. The twin flame separation stage is part of the twin flame stages for a reason. It is a stage, and it is not meant to be an end in itself. The twin flame separation stage doesn't have to be the end of your relationship. Additionally, if you ever get together after separation, you'll notice that twin flame sex at that point becomes even more impressive than last time. Twin flame sex grows stronger the longer the relationship lasts. It doesn't matter what kind of stage you are in with your twin flame, the strength always increases with time. Even when true twin flame union is achieved, twin flame sex still grows more robust. The separation will not hinder twin flame sex in any way, and it will feel amazing no matter when you do it.